If you want to edit a photo on Nothing Phone 3, then we have two options. You can either use the Gallery app, this one, and if you go to a photo, if you select a photo, then you can edit this one by tapping on this pen icon in the bottom right corner. And over here you can find some of the options that will help you edit the photo to try to make it look as you wish it would look like. Once you make any changes, so let's say I'm just gonna rotate it, then all you have to do is just press save over here in the top right corner, and we go. And of course the original is kept, this one is saved as an individual photo. In addition to that, the second option is to use the Photos app by Google. This one is quite similar. In this case, in order to edit a photo, we need to press edit at the bottom over here. In here we can find even more options that can be quite useful as well. And if you want to save it, you can just press save in the bottom right corner here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.